success. Put an app in for greatness and patience told me this well. Okay. Look for action and practice to get a hold of yourself. Time is of the essence.
So, what is good, bruh gang? How y'all doing today?
What it do, baby?
Shouts out to everybody in bruh gang, man. I appreciate all the love, all the support, and everybody that's in the community page helping me out with these videos. We doing part 2 today, but before we do that, pass me the aux.
It's a vibe and I'm riding with you. My vision not blurry. See your eye healthy. Standing by focus if you are asking me. So she ain't gon' ride. What she playing for? If she really want it, what she playing for? Play no games. Give it till she has enough. Connect us, cause the dots on us. This is us. Feeling your presence. Tell me what is the difference? Still gon' match again. Birthday present.
Alright, y'all, if y'all enjoyed that song and video, link is in the description and in the comment section below. Let's get into this video. Part 2!
Pickle Boy here. And today, Dad is going to listen to a song that's plagued him for many years. There are 100 ways to love a cat. So I'm going to switch the door number around so he can't get out. Bridget's going to play 100 ways to love a cat from the other side of the door. And he ain't going to be able to get out of the room.
Yep.
That is messed up, bruh. Bro, how hard does Angry Grandpa sleep?
Be quiet.
It's no way. Bruh, it is no way I'm gonna be asleep while somebody is in my room unscrewing the door, bruh. If y'all sleep that hard, let me know in the comment section below. But shouts out to everybody that's sleeping light out here, because we ain't about to get caught slipping.
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving
ways.
Keep a tiny house for them. 100
Keep a tiny house for them, bruh.
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100 loving ways.
What the fuck?
Be sure to give their cause. 100 loving
Bruh, that is the exact response I would have.
Hey!
Oh,
What the fuck are you doing?
100 ways to love a
Oh,
cat.
hell no! Man, goddamn, let me out this mother!
Yes!
throw the TV!
Stop.
Throw the TV!
Jesus!
Yeah!
Turn it off, Bridget!
You're gonna be here a while.
Oh, he looking at that TV too, man. Oh my god.
Oh,
What did he just say?
Just me, you, and 100 ways to love a cat for the next hour.
Oh my god.
Let them have a fish.
I hope they
No, my God, man!
Let them have a fish.
Talk about, come on,
Find
man.
them a scratching post.
God damn! Oh, fuck your loving way, you bitch!
That fucking lovely ways. I know you got a battle axe in there
Fuck, I
somewhere,
can't
bro.
do this year!
There are 100 ways to love a cat. 100
Oh my god.
ways. Way 9.
What's 9?
Quiet.
Oh, alright, this skip.
Wake your motherfuckers up, feed them goddamn poison!
There are 100 ways to love a cat.
Bro,
100
Knock it off!
Way 11. Whisper, I love you.
Whisper, die, you motherfucker! Die!
he said, whisper, I love
Yeah,
you.
and then bury motherfucker! Wrap them up! Throw them in a goddamn fucking garbage can!
Hey, bro.
Way 27. Give them a mat to wipe
Hey, let
their
him show
feet
you that
on.
Yeah! You should have wiped your fucking ass, Bridget! Wipe that goddamn cow, you motherfucking ass! You would need 2 cats!
Hey, bro. Oh shit.
Get them on, Chris.
Christmas! Put him in a goddamn stocking and beat him against the goddamn
Don't
fireplace!
forget them on
Then
Christmas,
throw him in
bro.
the fire and burn that motherfucker up!
Wow.
Christmas!
If y'all don't understand what I'm doing, I'm trying to pay a little bit more attention to the song, so like, yeah, that's why we listening to the song now. This song is very, not gonna say the word. Y'all know what I'm trying to say.
What?
Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off!
Ah,
100 loving ways. 45.
Increase his cuddle time.
Yeah! I'll kill him with the
my
bitch!
God.
I'll kill him and I'll hang him and I'll drown him!
why it sound like he was
And I'll kill him
saying,
with the sushi!
bruh, they said the
Man, I'm getting sick of my stomach right
46.
46.
To watch his weight.
Let him get
Oh my
fat!
God.
And then die!
Oh no, bruh.
100 ways to love a cat! Burn him in the stove! Put it in a pan! Number 92!
Number 92.
Ways!
What
Ways!
does that
100
mean?
ways to love a cat! What a loving ways!
50. Give him a thing of cat grass. 100.
Give him a pack of what? Pack grass!
grass.
What the hell is pack grass?
His chin.
Yeah, I'll scratch him! I'll give him my crowbar and I'll scratch him into the good in his chin!
Oh no, bruh.
I've had enough!
Yo, bruh.
Jesus Christ!
Yo. He did not have to do all of that, bruh.
I gotta get out! Let me out, Bridget!
You ain't going nowhere, stay with me, boy! We're gonna learn about them cats together!
It stinks so bad in here!
We're gonna learn them cats together!
Go learn about this cat.
There are 100.
Alright, that's it! I mean, that's it! Sit down.
You've gotten to like 70. You only got like another 20. Good God, don't do it!
Good
Okay.
God, don't do it.
Stop!
This is bad. That's a different room, right?
I want out of
That
here,
looks like a
bro!
different room.
I want out of here right now! I want out! God, let me out!
Bruh, Grandpa got a bazooka in the closet.
Let me out!
Oh my God, I'm crying.
Ah! Don't do it!
Get me out of my room.
What is it?
Don't
What
do
is
it!
Let me out of my room.
Okay! Just stop, I'll think about it.
He's about to stab the door.
I want out!
That man, Pickle Boy, said, "I'll think about it, bro."
No! Stop! Stop!
Oh,
Damn you!
oh.
Yeah, I got your loving way to love a cat right now, mother.
He found the speaker, Bridget!
Yeah, buddy.
We can't hear it no more, he found the speaker!
I remember this
Let
clip
me
from
out,
the compilation.
Here's your
Let
loving
me
way.
out, Bridget.
That love a goddamn
Bridget! Let me the hell out of the room now! Get down!
Hey, yeah.
Stop!
Come back in
He
here.
better try to lock him back
Yeah.
in the room.
Yeah, here's your magnet. There's your speaker. Get out of my house.
Bridget, come on.
Get out of my house.
Yeah. Yo, I would love
Come on.
Grandpa as a doorbell. man. That would
100
be
ways to
hard,
throw you
man.
out my fucking house. 100 fucking ways. Get out.
Oh my God, bro. Get out of my house!
I'm staying at
That would
Dad's
be a lit
house.
doorbell. Oh my God. Okay, that's the part you Oh my Lord. Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ!
He said it too. That's crazy. I didn't even know that. That was funny. That is hilarious, bruh. Oh man. Long live Angry Grandpa, man. Everybody leave that in the comment section below. Shouts out to Bruh Gang. Shouts out to everybody that made it to the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave your reaction requests in the comment section below and in the community page. I catch y'all on Wednesday. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you. Good night. OG!
Who that? Said they gon' beat them roo cats. Nigga want fake, then I do that. Niggas want fake, then I do that.